Biology: Solving a Biological Problem by Hassan Malik. Observation: Scientists begin solving problems by observing things closely. They watch how animals behave or how plants grow to learn what's happening. Example: observing how bees pollinate flowers helps scientists understand how plants produce fruit. Asking questions. After observing, scientists ask questions like why does this happen, how can we fix this? These questions guide their research. Example: asking why are coral reefs dying leads scientists to study pollution in oceans. Hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess about the answer to a scientific question. It's something scientists can test to see if it's correct. Example: a scientist might guess that plants grow faster with more sunlight and then test that idea. Experimentation. Scientists perform experiments to test their hypothesis. They change one part of the environment and see how it affects living things. Example: testing different amounts of water on plants to see how it affects their growth. Collecting data. During experiments, scientists collect data, information that shows what's happening. They measure things like height, weight, or how fast something grows. Example: measuring how much a tree grows each week under different conditions. Analyzing results. After collecting data, scientists analyze it to see if their hypothesis was correct. They look for patterns or changes. Example: if a scientist noticed plants grew taller with more sunlight, they know sunlight affects plant growth. Drawing conclusions. After analyzing the results, scientists make a conclusion about their experiment. They decide whether their hypothesis was right or wrong. Example: if plants grew better with more water, the scientist concludes that water helps plants grow. Using models. Sometimes scientists use models to help solve problems. Models are representations of real-life systems that make it easier to study complex ideas. Example: scientists might use a model of a human cell to understand how diseases affect the body. Solving health problems. Biological problems can be solved to help people stay healthy. Scientists study bacteria and viruses to develop vaccines or medicines. Example: scientists developed vaccines to stop diseases like measles and polio. Conservation biology. Conservation biology focuses on solving environmental problems to protect animals and plants. Scientists work to stop species from going extinct. Protecting rainforests helps save endangered animals like orangutans by keeping their habitat safe. Mathematics as an integral part of scientific process. Mathematics is essential in science because it helps scientists measure, calculate, and analyze data. It's used to create models, understand patterns, and make accurate predictions. When studying the growth of a plant, scientists use math to calculate the average height increase each day and predict how tall the plant will be in the future. Quran and biology. Do not those who disbelieve see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass then we opened them out and we made every living thing from water? Will they not then believe? Quran and biology. And certainly we created man from an extract of clay, then we made him a drop in a firm lodging. Then we made the drop a clinging claw, and we made the claw a lump of flesh, and we made out of that lump bones, and we clawed the bones with flesh, then we developed out of it another creature. So blessed is Allah, the best of creators. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much.